Alright, let's talk about massive passive profits. Maybe you've seen the ads, or maybe you're just curious. Can you really make money with this program? Let's break it down together, nice and simple. Massive Passive Profits is an online program that helps you earn passive income. That means you do the work once and you keep getting paid, even while you sleep. So, how does it work? When you get into the program, you get access to tools, training, and resources designed to help you make money online. There's a big focus on affiliate marketing, selling other people's products and earning big commissions on every sale. They help you get set up quickly, and once set up, it works 100% passively. Your content, links, everything you need is added and updated automatically. This is made for beginners and for intermediate people. The program is honest about your expectations. Most people won't make significant money, and some may not make anything at all. You'll need to put in effort and learn the basic setups. So if you're ready to try something new and you're willing to learn, Massive Passive Profits is for you. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your online journey.